And now we're going to show the second way how to create a walkthrough video. So let's go to the view, lights and cameras, and here we have a add walkthrough. So here on the left side by the default we have a top plane, and here we have viewing height above floors. So this is the height of the eye of the person who is walking around this assembly. And here we can add a motion constraint, and that can be a pet. So we're going to show that later. Now let's go here to the start walkthrough. So here we have some quick instructions, so we can manipulate our camera with keyboard and with a mouse. So let's click OK. And here we have our eye motion. So we can manipulate the camera with this one. For example, we can go zoom out to the back. We can go straight. We can rotate like this, like this. We can go to the left. We can go to the right. Here we can go move up and move down like this. Here we can change our speed. So we can increase here the speed, and now we are much faster, as you see. But let's go to the 5, and with this one we can rotate like this and to this side like this. Here we have a map view, so we can see where our camera is relative to our assembly. Now let's go down, let's rotate like this, and now if we want to record our video, you can just press here record. Now we can travel here like this, and now we can record our video. Like this. And now we can just simply click OK, enter. And now if we want to see our video, we can go here, play recording. The main disadvantage of this one is that our video is not smooth. That's why now we're going to show how we can create a video using pet. Let's exit, and now let's create a pet. Now you can see here we are at the property manager. Now let's exit here and let's go to the feature manager design tree. So first we're going to create a new plane. So let's go to assembly, reference geometry plane. For the first reference we're going to choose top plane like this, and let's go with 500 millimeters like this, and let's click OK. And now we're going to create a sketch, center point arc like this, and let's go something like this. Let's click OK. Okay, this is good. Now let's exit sketch. And now we have to go to our walkthrough video. So you can go here to the display manager, and here under scene, lights and cameras, you can find walkthrough. If you open this, here is our walkthrough one. We can just right click here and add a walkthrough. So here for the motion constraint, we can choose this sketch. Here we can define the height of our eye. Let's go with 10 millimeters, and this is 10 millimeters off from this sketch. And now we can go to start walkthrough. Let's click OK here, and now here under constraint, we can click here and we can choose our sketch like this. And now here on the map view, you can see that our camera is on this sketch. Now let's rotate this like this, and now we can see our assembly, something like this. And now we can move our camera along this bed like this. So let's go to the start point. We can just click now record, and we can just now drive our camera along this bed. And we can just click OK. And now we can play our recording. And now our camera is more stable because we have a pet. Let's exit. And now if you want to generate this video, you can go here, generate video. We can here choose location, the name. Let's go save. Compressor Intel. Okay. And our video is done. Now we can look at our video. And this is what we got. If you want a smoother video, you can increase the frames per second. And this is the second way how you can create a walkthrough video. Let's click OK here. And now here we have a walkthrough video 1. If you want to create another walkthrough video, you can just right click here and you can just go add walkthrough. And now here, if you click OK, you have walkthrough 2. As well, you can right click here and you can delete this or suppress. Let's delete the walkthrough 2. And now only we have one walkthrough video.